What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got something from Sheldon Knives, or Shieldon, I think Shieldon. Coming from Knife Standards Design. Check out his stuff. He's got a lot of sales going on right now. So I know like the RR Standard, RR Express, just a lot of those type of knives. They're on sale. Check them out. Hopefully, I'm selling some knives right now, so hopefully I'll be able to. That'll be one of them that I want to get. I think I want to check out that Express, so I'll probably try to grab one of those. But check out knifestandards.com and pick you up one. So this is Shieldon and this XL Scythe. Scythe. I don't know. I can never pronounce that right. Scythe. I can never pronounce that right. I think it's Scythe. Um, yeah, so this is something. This is not something I usually get or carry. Um, what is the DC for? What's that dude's name? I'll have it down in the description. Who is? I think this is obviously like a collaboration or something like that between Shieldon and DC. Cannot remember the name of it, but that's all right. I'll get it down in the description. Just be on the lookout for it. But this is definitely not something I usually normally carry or even really get to check out. I do have some karambits that I actually do like. I like those for like self-defense purposes, to be honest with you. And this is something definitely you can use for self-defense. Good lord. Um, yeah, this is kind of different. I kind of like the jimping. It's not too shabby. I'll kind of get a close-up of it. So there's the little Shieldon emblem right there. It is the reverse tux version of it. CPM S35VN. I like S35VN. Kind of a cool little backspacer right too. Backspacer right there also. Definitely some like texturing right there, or jimping, I guess you could say. Almost reminds me like a chainsaw in a way. If you look at it, it's kind of cool. I actually kind of really like this though. I love the reverse tux look, like the gray and the silver and the black. Always have loved that. I like it. It looks good, and I really kind of like the way it feels. Oddly enough, because like I definitely like that you can definitely put your thumb right there and definitely push down on it and get a good like pinch. And you got nice jimping right there for that. You got a rear flipper tab right there. Got some jimping on it also. Works very well. It does stick out kind of far, but it's for this type of knife, I don't think I would really care. I don't. That doesn't bother me necessarily. Um, this thing is kind of crazy. It is a frame lock. It is skeletonized. Yeah, skeletonized on the inside for weight reduction, and it not bad. Detent works pretty smooth. That's crazy. This is not something I normally carry, but I kind of dig it. It does sit down in there pretty well. Huh. I like the pocket clip though too. It is reversible, which is nice. Got like a little ball right there, a little, I don't know what that's called, but that's super dope though. That is cool. I like that. And I just noticed that too. Kind of I'm trying to look on the camera if I can get this show. Is like milling right here. Hold on, let me take it off screen. Yeah, that is actually like super micro milling right there on that. It's like a fingerprint. Dude, I cannot get that on camera. But it's like, because it's stupid fine. It's like a thumbprint right there. It's almost like it was so hot and then they touched it and then no, there's like a fingerprint right there. But it's not like an actual fingerprint. It is micro milling. That's freaking crazy, dude. All right, that's cool. So this is coming out for the pass around group, so it's a little bit worn, but this is kind of cool. I dig this. I don't really know a lot to say except that it does work pretty well. Not going to be a long video, but super cool. I'll have more information on it later. It just works very well. I like this thing. I don't know the price either. It's probably titanium handle, titanium pocket clip, titanium backspacer, probably a DLC coating or a PVD coating. Excuse me, yeah, it's probably PVD, excuse me. I'm really curious about that ball. I want to check out what that is exactly. I don't know. I've seen some knives with it, but I've never gotten to check them out yet. I know, like the Heretic Manticore, I think they have their pins with it. They have that little ball in the pins, so I'm kind of curious to check that out. That's all I really got right now, though. It's kind of a cool design, though. It does work really well. Oh, I'm gonna works well like that for self-defense purposes. Definitely gonna light into someone. That's such a fine point. That's something that you don't want to mess around with. It'll, yeah, that's nice and fine. Nice and thin, too. Good lord. I think I have a couple cremas, like I said. One I keep in my book bag that I carry every day with me, just with other stuff in it. I keep one in there just for self-defense purposes. I have another one that I got from my nephew back in the day. Um, I like them. I think they're kind of cool. And this is like a folding version of it, so it's kind of just dope. And it, like I said, it does feel good in your hand. Even like reverse holding it like that for self-defense purposes, it works. So this is a cool design. I'm going to kind of flip this and carry it around for a couple days, and I'll get back to you in that final review though, but super cool. I like the emblem on it. It's kind of cool. There you go. Super dope. That's all I got though. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.